Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blau Parts. Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the front differential gear oil on a Toyota Tacoma. This is going to apply to all 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma front differentials. For this demonstration, we're going to be using one of our convenient Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits featuring Reinstall gear oils. In this kit, we include the appropriate amount of 75W85 GL5 gear oil, which is in accordance with all 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma front differential gear oil recommendations. To find the right transfer case differential fluid change kit for your Tacoma, or to learn more about the appropriate Tacoma differential gear oil specifications, fill capacities, change intervals, and our convenient pre-assembled Blau transfer case differential fluid change kits, check out the link in the description below. So let's get started.
Begin by confirming that the front differential is warm. This allows the fluid to drain more thoroughly while it's being drained. During the fluid change, the vehicle will need to be in a level position. Most Toyota Tacoma front differential gear oil changes can be done on a flat, level surface without lifting the vehicle. In our case, we're going to be gaining access to the bottom side of the vehicle using an SAE-approved automotive lift. To confirm you're lifting the vehicle correctly, you can reference your factory owner's manual for the proper vehicle lift point locations and safety procedures. Depending on the exact trim level of your Tacoma, the front skid plate will need to be removed. If your model is not equipped with a skid plate, you can skip the following steps. On our model, we have a two-piece skid plate. Using a 12mm socket and ratchet, loosen and remove the 4 mounting bolts in a counterclockwise direction on the rear section of the skid plate. As you remove the last mounting bolt, support the skid plate and tip it down to the rear of the vehicle and out of the work area. Next, locate the front differential fluid fill plug. This is located on the driver's side left of the differential, closest to the axle. The easiest access is through the driver's side left wheel well area. Using a 10mm hex bit socket and ratchet, loosen and remove the fill plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction. Removing the fill plug before draining the differential confirms you have a way to refill it in case the fill plug is seized and can't be removed. Next, locate the differential fluid drain plug. This is on the driver's side left of the differential, just below the axle shaft. Using a 10mm hex bit socket, a short extension to clear the differential support bracket, and a ratchet, loosen and remove the drain plug and sealing washer in a counterclockwise direction, allowing the old gear oil to drain into a suitable waste oil drain pan. Using a rag, clean both the drain and fill plugs from excess contaminants and debris. Reinstall the drain plug and sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 10mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the drain plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 48 foot-pound torque specification. Next, prepare to refill the front differential with fluid. Due to the location, the fluid fill port can be challenging to access when adding new fluid, whether the vehicle is on the ground or on a lift. To make this task easier, we have the front wheels turned full lock to the right passenger side, and we've attached some additional fill hose to the bottle cap spout tube. In some instances, it may be necessary to trim the tip of the bottle spout tube while installing the hose. Next, through the wheel well area, route and insert the hose into the differential fluid fill port. Lift the bottle and begin filling the differential with the recommended 75W85 GL5 gear oil. The correct fluid level has been achieved when a stream of fluid begins overflowing from the differential fluid fill port. This is a fill capacity of 1.5 liters or 1.58 quarts. With the front differential fluid level full, you can reinstall the fill plug with sealing washer by threading it in a clockwise direction. Using a 10mm hex bit socket and torque wrench, tighten the fill plug. In our case, we're tightening it to a 29 foot-pound torque specification. Next, using a rag, clean and remove any excess fluid from the drain and fill plug areas. The differential should be completely cleaned from any fluid residue. This will help when later inspecting and confirming that the front differential does not have any leaks after performing your fluid change and test drive. Once you've confirmed you have no leaks, you can reinstall the skid plate. First, line up and slide the 2 front mounting tab hooks up into the front skid plate. Once hooked, tip the backside upward, confirming alignment with the subframe. Begin hand tightening the two 12mm hex head fasteners at the rear of the skid plate and then the two on the front side. Last, evenly tighten all skid plate mounting hardware.
So that's an overview on how to change the front differential gear oil on the 2009 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma models. If you'd like to see our other Toyota Tacoma DIY fluid change and maintenance videos, or if you'd like to learn more about our full range of high-performance engine oils, transmission fluids, gear oils, and transfer case fluids for any of your other vehicles, feel free to visit our website at blauparts.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.